parallel combination. Can you see two parallels? Yes, sir, they are in parallel. What's the definition I told you? E equivalent. E equivalent is nothing but VA minus VB when it is not in use. Not in use, Baba, not in use. Oh. Okay, sir. How do I find that out? Tell me. Sir, KCL, KVL, your call, whatever you want. You want to apply KCL, KVL? Let's apply KCL, KVL. So here we go. Ready? Ready, sir. Now, guys, A and B are not connected, but isn't there a complete circuit within itself? Oh, yes, of course, there is a complete circuit in itself. So you have to find that complete circuit, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, it is. So this was E1, this was R1, this was E2, this was R2. Let the current which is going inside is I. So this is plus minus IR1. This is plus minus IR2. Apply KVL, topmost point, cornermost point, go clockwise. Minus E1 plus IR1 plus IR2 plus E2 is equal to 0. Check, 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 check. I started from this point, cornermost point P, and go clockwise. This gives me I is equal to E1 minus E2 upon R1 plus R2. Please check, please check. Check, 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 check. Got it? Got it. What are we supposed to find? Tell, what are we supposed to find? Sir, we are supposed to find VA minus VB. Sure, na? Sure, sir. I'm going to give you 1 full minute. Absorb this. Absorb this. I will not be able to take examples on this today, but I want to derive this because I want you to understand the power of this definition. Equivalent EMF of a combination, no matter what the combination is the PD between the endpoints when the endpoints are not being used. Right? Right, sir. Okay. So now I have the value of the current and I clockwise, we assumed I clockwise, and that I value has been given to us as E1 minus E2 upon R1 plus R2. Do you realize that if E1 is more than E2, your I value is positive, that means your assumption is correct. That means they will take care among themselves. Now, plus minus IR. So do you agree now that VA minus VB is equal to, if B is 0, so this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. How many ways are there to go from B to A? 2 ways, either upper or lower. So if you go follow upper method, minus IR1 plus E, it is E1 minus IR1. If you take the other way out, then, sir, it is plus E2 plus IR2, sir. Sir, which one is correct, sir? Arey, what are you talking about? Why don't you put I value here and check? Okay. So, sir, if I do that, I get E1 minus IR1. So, it will become E1 minus E2 upon R1 plus R2 multiplied by R1. Now take the LCM. If you do that, you get even R1 plus even R2 minus even R1. So even R1 term gets cancelled. Right, sir? You get even R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2. Okay. Let's check here. Out here we get E2 plus E1 minus E2 upon R1 plus R2 into R2. Let's see. E2R1 plus E2R2. Acha, this time E2R2 gets cancelled. Oh, cho. So E2R1 plus E1R2 upon R1 plus R2. Wait, they are same. Of course they are same. Of course they are same. And there is a fancy way of writing this. There is a fancy way of writing this. What is it, sir? Before that, what about internal resistance? Now they are in parallel. When you imagine this, I'll give you a tip. To find out what happens with the internal resistance, forget the battery for a while. For a while. It's a tip, not a statement. It's a tip. They are in parallel. So what is the R equivalent? So 1 upon R equivalent is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. What is the E equivalent? E1R2 plus E2R1 upon R1 plus R2. Can I write this expression in some other better way? I can. Click. Watch. Nice. Nice.